Hey, what's up, people? How you doing? I'm Jojo and you're welcome to my channel, JojoConnect. Now on this channel I make videos that teaches people how to get various things done easy and simple. So if you're new to this channel, you want to do me a favor. Just click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You know why? Because there's a lot of good luck attached to it. Just do it for my sake. Also, it helps me to be motivated to keep giving you good content. So you want to just do that for me. Yeah, without further ado, today's tutorial I want to show you how to add end screens to your video. You want to know how to add end screens to your video. So in that case, just sit back, relax. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what we do. First thing, you have to know how to upload a video properly on YouTube. Now, if you do not know how to properly upload a video on YouTube, you want to click on the card showing right now at the top of your screen. With that said, let's go into today's tutorial. How do you add end screens to your video? Now, I have started my upload process for a video I'm about to publish today. How to add subtitles to your video. That's the video that I'm publishing for today. So I want to add end screens to it. Once you have uploaded the video and the details, you want to go straight to the next step. And that next step is where you have your video elements. Now, there are two ways of adding end screens to your video, and the first method is what I'm showing you right now. That's when you are uploading a video for the first time, or initial upload of a video. So you just go straight now. You can see add an end screen. You just go straight to clicking add here. So as you can see, there are different formats of adding an end screen to your video. So I always like to choose this one that suggests two different videos for my viewers. Or you can choose this one that has one video and your subscribe icon showing right here, or you can also use this one or this one. So for this tutorial I will be using the two video template. So I'm just going to click on it right now. So as you can see, there are two video options that would show up at the end of your video, like say 20 seconds to the end of your video. So the first one here is video best for viewer. Now YouTube will decide if I'm choosing this one for the first end screen. YouTube will decide from a list of videos that you have the one that is best for whoever is viewing the video you have uploaded. The second one is the one we have right here, and that is most recent upload. Now once you use these two formats, it means that YouTube would show up the last or the most recent video you uploaded. But you can also choose specific videos for this one. I want to just, if you click here now, choose specific video. Now you can choose out of a variety of the videos you have uploaded to be the end screen, but I don't want to use a specific video. I always like to use the last video uploaded or the most recent video uploaded, as well as the one YouTube will suggest for the particular viewer. So at this stage, all you need to do is just click on save. Okay, that's it. You've added an end screen to the video. So the other method to add end screens to your video, especially when it has to do with videos you've uploaded before or earlier, all you need to do is to go straight and click on your profile icon here, and then click on YouTube Studio. Once you get here, just go ahead and click on videos here. Now you can decide to choose any of the videos you want to add the end screen to. So let's assume I'm adding the end screen to this video. I'll just click on the pencil icon here, and I will bring you to your video details page, where you just have to scroll down and add end screen. You can see this, you add end screen. So just click on the pencil icon to add the end screen. So it will bring you to the platform where you have to add your end screen. Now this is just the same process as what I explained earlier in the video. You can decide to add most recent upload, best for viewer, and or choose specific video for your end screens, as you can see. So all you need to do is to follow the same procedure that I explained earlier in this video to add the end screen. But this has to do with you adding end screen to an already uploaded video. So ladies and gentlemen, please leave a like for this video, and also you can comment, and also do not forget to subscribe, because I hope to see you in my next video. Cheers.